So what are the basic tips that can help you manage your inventory better? Number 1, prioritize your inventory. First, you have to categorize your inventory, that what are the stocks that you will be keeping and what are the products that is your priority and what are the products that you can sell within just 1 week. Then keep those products in a priority list and bring more stocks into the area where the requirement is more. For example, you are a clothes company and your top selling product is your t-shirt and your top geographical location is Mumbai, that most of the orders you get are from Mumbai. So you have to manage your inventory of Mumbai, that 70% of your inventory is occupied by t-shirt and the rest 30% is occupied by various other stuffs that you sell. But mainly the t-shirt should always be there because it is in high demand. So you have to prioritize your product in such a way that the customer doesn't have a scarcity of your product.